You need to protect your business. You need to turn on two-factor authentication to protect all of your critical accounts. Just because they're small does not mean that they're not a target. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.
Mr. Greg Brainerd, founder and CEO of Braintek, LLC.
So making sure that they test backups before you need them is just critical. But what if someone has all the right information about you? Then they have everything they need to get into your account. Welcome back. I'm Greg with Braintek. Today we're talking about cybersecurity for small companies. Cybersecurity is estimated to cost businesses $6 trillion. I think the number one threat for small businesses today, hackers are going to be able to get into the system and they're going to try to extort you by encrypting that data and then asking for large sums of money.